Ever since the release of The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom, I've always wondered what it would be like to 3D print a Master Sword. And I'm not talking about something like this. I'm talking a real, life-size Master Sword from The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. And today, we're hopefully going to make that dream happen. Yo, what is up, everybody? And well, today we're going to be 3D printing a real life-size Master Sword. And well, I'll admit I am a bit late due to the release of Tears of the Kingdom happening almost a month ago. But nevertheless, I have decided to make this print. Yeah, so what we need to first do is we need to find a file for the Master Sword. And I have already found one over here from this YouTube video right here. Thank you so much, Calestis Cosplay, for linking the website printables so I can download this and make it. So, yeah, I've already downloaded it and everything, and we're going to have to slice all of these files and print them. So, without further ado, let's get into that part. Okay, so I am now in Cura, and I have the first piece loaded up. And, well, this is going to take around 4 hours, almost 5 hours, 6 minutes off 5 hours. And this is going to be very cool when it's done finished, because my printer is printing almost perfect prints right now. So, yeah, let's start printing it. Okay, so this print just finished top of the Master Sword. Perfect! Look at that, that's perfect. Absolutely amazing. After that, I slowly printed each piece of the blade. Okay, so this print just finished. I'm just gonna pull it off the build plate. Wow, it looks so good. It is the second piece of the blade for the Master Sword. I'm just gonna put that on the shelf. Okay, so this print really just finished. It's got the Triforce on the side. It is the blade piece for the bottom. So right here we got the entire blade, and then I'll just put it at the bottom. And now all we have to do is just print the blade anchor. Okay, so right here I have all of the pieces that will be connecting, joining, and finishing up the blade. So then I can start making the hilt. And well, yeah, we're gonna start printing these right about now.
3 hours later.
Okay, so this print just finished. I was at school while it was done, so I am literally just like so excited that this actually worked. So genuinely, this is the last pieces, blade connectors, the anchor, and then just everything else that was supposed to be gray and a bunch of tiny pieces. Full time, 5 hours, almost 6 hours. It's absolutely crazy. So yeah. So we're gonna bust out the blue filament down there that I have not opened yet, and then we are going to start printing the bigger hilt pieces. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so I just started printing the crossguard, which is first side, since I can't print both of them together, for the sword. And this will be the first part of the hilt that I'm printing. And I just got a new spool of blue filament, and I put a crap ton of glue in there because I do not want this to fail adhering to the bed, because this is going to be a 5 or 6 hour print, so I'll keep you updated. Okay, so this is the sword so far. We got all of the blade connected, including the final piece of the blade, and we have the blade anchor holding this in place. This will connect to the hilt, and then the cross guards will just go on there, and then these are to connect the cross guards. So it's going along pretty good so far. Okay, so I have now started printing the final pieces that will use blue filament, and then the last few will use a bright yellow for the diamonds that connect the parts of the sword's hilt to the main, like, cross guards. So yeah. So I don't have to order some yellow filament, and this will be done. So close to being finished. Okay, so this just finished printing. There's a little bit of stringing right there, but it is absolutely amazing. The hilt piece, perfect. I'm not going to take it off because I don't want it to break, but it's absolutely amazing.
3 days later.
Okay, so for the final pieces of the Master Sword, I had to order some new filament, which was royal gold. And here it is. Oh my gosh. I just ordered it. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at that. That's absolutely amazing. Yeah, this, about to start printing again. Remove this, start printing the last few pieces, and then we will finally be done. Okay, so I'm now currently printing the last few pieces. The only thing I'll have to print after this is the grip wrap. This is going pretty well so far, so I'll just keep you guys updated. Okay, so these pieces just finished, and they look absolutely amazing. This gold right here, beautiful. You see that? That's like absolutely amazing. Up close camera. And, yeah, these just look amazing. Like, I'm so surprised how they turned out. Brand new spool, everything. I don't want to pull it off to break it, but yeah. Well, we're almost done. Okay, so I just started printing the grip for the hilt again. You can't see it that much, that's just the base of it. Yeah, hopefully today we'll be done and we can finally assemble the entire thing. Okay, so this print just finished after 2 fails trying to print this. It finally worked. I am literally so excited. So now all I have to do is assemble the Master Sword. So yes, now the time has come. We have printed all of the pieces to the sword and assembled all of it. And it is time for the true reveal. And well, without further ado, here we go. Thank you everybody so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what my next print should be. And if it should be even bigger than what the sword was. My biggest print ever. Thank you so much.